Hey, we picked up this mini keychain camera. Stay with us and we'll show you how to use it, okay? Well, here it is, okay? Your little mini camera, voice recording, micro SD card, long battery life, multiple filters, wide angle lenses, HD video recording. All right, open this little guy up. Here's your camera. Pretty nifty looking little camera, look at that. Turn around, there it is, the lens and all. Instruction manual for what it is, all right? Charging cable, USB to C and C to C, okay? Looks like for keychain clip and a necklace, you want to go around your neck. There's your memory card. Put this all back here and get it out of the way for a minute. And I think we'll start using this little guy. We'll charge this and get it ready to go, okay? Look at the things on that. Right there, all the pictures and stuff. All right, here's your little camera. There's your lens, your picture screen. There's your on-off button. There's your mode, up, down, and the shutter release right there. All right, let's charge this little guy. There's your camera. There's the little door right there. Opens up, see right there. We'll take our charging cable, plug it right into the USB-C port right there. Right there. Plug it into the USB port right here on the PC. See the red light? That means it's charging. When that red light goes out, that means it's through charging and ready to go. All right, 1 hour, about what it took. Now this was charged straight out of the box, so I don't know if there was already some charge in it or not. So close the little door right there. There's your camera. We're ready to use it. Let's turn this little guy on right here. Hold it down for 3 seconds. There it is. See it come on right there? All right. You want to take a picture? Snap that little shutter release right there. And it goes right there. And you're ready to go. You want to turn it off? Hold it down for 3 seconds again. But if you want to make that screen go to sleep, just press it once. See there? Press it again, comes back on. You ready to turn it off? Press it down for 3 seconds more. There it is. It's going off. It's off. Let's turn it back on here. Now it comes on in the photo mode. You want to take a photograph? Press the shutter release right there. There's your lens, okay? Got it right there. No card. Oh, it's telling me there's no memory card in it. All right, well, let's turn this off and put the memory card in it. Goodbye. Now, right here is your charging port. There's your C charging port. And here's where your memory card goes in. So let's get the memory card out. It came with a memory card. Not a very big one. I think it's 8 megabyte or something. So let's put this little guy in here. Be sure you get it in the right way. It'll only go in one way. Press it in till it clicks. Right. There you go. Close the little door right there. Now let's turn it back on. All right, now we got a card in there now. Let's take a picture. What do you say? Hear that? Took the photo. Now, if you want to change modes, it comes on in the photo mode. If you want to change to the video mode, press your mode button one time. Now, when you press the shutter release, it'll start recording. You press the shutter release again, and it'll stop recording. See, it says it's performing start. All right, press it again, and it stopped recording. All right. Now, if you press the mode button again, it'll go into the playback. Press the up, down. There we go. See how it shows the video right there, or that's a photo. There it goes. It's playing back. Press it again. Oh, the modes are changing. Look at there. The filters. See that? Press up again. The filter changes again. All right. Let's go back to the photo mode, okay? Press it again. You're back in the photo mode. SD card is in there. It says SD card is in there. All right. All right. If you want to go into the mode and the settings, hold down that mode button for a few seconds. There it goes. See, it's in the settings now. There's your color. You can change that. There's your up and down. Photo resolution. Let's see what that is. If you want to accept something, press the shutter release right there. You got a choice of 12 megapixel, 8, 12, 5. Let's go with 12. All right, now I'm going to go down again. Anti-shake. We want that on. Yes, I got it on. Okay. Burst mode. Self-timer. Date stamp. Video resolution. What do you have a choice of here? 25 by 14. Okay, that's good. We'll just stay there. Date stamp for video. Loop recording. Exposure. ISO. White balance. A lot of stuff here, isn't there? Sharpness. Quality. Set the date. Screen saver. Auto power off. You can set it up to go off after so much time. Language. I only speak English, so we'll stay there. Okay, we're through here, so let's push that mode button again. All right, we're back here now. There's your picture we took. JPEG, there's a picture. There's a movie. Press the shutter button and it plays that movie we took. See there? Press it again, it stops. Okay, that goes. We press the mode button again and it goes back to the photos. All right. Okay, you see how it shows me, see I'm upside down. If you'll press and hold the up button, it'll change to 180. There you go. Now it's right side up. See there? All right, so that worked out real good. Now, if you want to go through filters, you want to press the up button and down button. Now, watch what the filters do here. Okay? Let's go right here. See how it changes the photo? Different colors and stuff. Does different things. All right. Well, there's a bunch of filters. I'm not going to go through all of them for you, so you can go back and play with them if you want to. All right, now I don't seem to be able to get it to connect to the computer with the USB cable, so what I'm going to do is take the memory card out right here, just push it in just like we did when we installed it. See it come out right there? And I'm going to plug it into a little port right here. Plug it into my USB here. Yeah, get it in the right direction. There we go. Now, we're going to come over here to the computer. All right, we got it plugged into our computer now. We're going to come over here and open the File Explorer. Right there it is. DCIM. There's my movies. One movie. And there's some pictures. Let's just copy all these and we'll just copy them and put them right over here into our files for the PC. Look at all that. There's a picture I got. One of my pictures, okay. That's me. I was moving. I hit the shutter release when I wasn't trying to. Here's one of the movies we took. I'm just moving around. There's my light.
Performing start. Alright. Press it again.
Alright, it went off. Alright, so there you go. I wish I could get it to connect with a cable to my PC. You could transfer it that way, but you can remove the memory card and do the same thing, okay? Alright, you can see how it works now. Now you can also change the lens. You can turn that. Watch here, see? Turn it. Turn it. Turn it back. Get it back like it was. You can see all the little icons there on it. So, alright. There is a link in the description below to Amazon where we bought this little camera. Go check it out if you're interested in it. Also, leave me a comment and let me know where you're watching from. You know, like not from your kitchen, your bedroom, whatever. City, state. If you're not in the U.S., city, country. Okay? And go check out the playlist called Cameras, Accessories. There'll be a bunch more of these up there. Go check them out. All right. Thanks for watching and next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.